Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing for my April Boxycharm, and here's the box. And this month's box is very exciting since it's so cute. The theme is eye candy and you have all the rundowns on here, and it's also my birthday month, so that's what makes it more exciting. Here's what the box looks like. And the first item that we're gonna try is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Mask. And this one retails for $47. And this one is an award-winning pore refining mask. Is an extraction specialist on clogging and tightening the looks of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. And this is perfect for people who have oily skin or combination. So I have very oily skin, so this one is very perfect for me.
Is you rollin'? Is you rollin'? Is you rollin'? Is you rollin'? Is you rollin'?
And we're just gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. So it's definitely getting tighter and tighter as the time goes by. I just wash it off, and so far I can feel that my pores have been clean, but I would definitely have to keep using this it says 2 to 3 times per week to see maximum results. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna do the eyes, and for this box I got the My Little Pony palette, and this one retails for $16. And this is what the palette looks like. Isn't it so cute? I grew up watching My Little Pony, so this one is really perfect. And I haven't had any colors like this, and I already did my face because I wanted to save some more time. So yeah, I'll zoom you guys in and we should get started with the eyes. Alright, so you know how I did all my face makeup ready and the eye look? This month's box we have the Brow Gal, and this one is in the shade Brown Hair number 2, and it's just like, you know, like everyday eyebrow look. And then it has tiny microfibers, and we shall see if I like this, because I usually like my brows to be like full. I can't have, you know, just normal brows, but this one is in the shade like brown number 2, and it should just lighten up my brows right now. And I can definitely see the tiny microfibers. And this one retails for $22. And now, to highlight, in the box we have the Tarteist Pro Glow, and this one is in the shade Stunner, and it's a liquid highlighter. Sorry guys, I had to, you know, change my memory card because I ran out of memory. This is what the highlight looks like. I really like it. It's not too blinding. I mean, it's gonna be in your face if you add it a little bit more. The last item in this box is this Adesi or Ades, I don't know how to pronounce, liquid lipstick, and this one retails for $24, and this is my shade right here. Alright, this is what the lips looks like, and this is definitely not matte. So I'll be right back and I'll pop on some lashes. Alright you guys, it took me 30 minutes to put on these lashes because I don't know how to do lashes, but what do you guys think about this look? I really like it. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the total amount for all the 5 items is $138. So for $21 a month, it's really worth it. So I recommend you guys to, you know, subscribe for Boxycharm. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!